Well, now to this news from the CDC. For the first time in 20 years, health officials have confirmed a spread of malaria right here in the U.S.
And that's why this graphic is particularly disturbing. In just 2 months, 5 cases have been discovered in the U.S. One of those cases is from right in Texas. The others are in Florida, where we find our Xavier Walton joining us live with what we need to know. I mean, clearly we don't want to scare people or freak them out, but this is concerning.
It is concerning, so much so, Adrienne and Marky, that the Florida Department of Health issuing a statewide malaria advisory. And while you read the headline, yes, it is a bit alarming, but the chances of someone actually being infected with malaria is still extremely low, at least according to the CDC. Nonetheless, that is why we are getting this warning. As for those 5 cases you just mentioned here in the United States, the CDC is saying all those involved have been treated and are improving. And according to the health advisory here in Florida, 4 individuals in Sarasota County were infected with malaria, mosquito-borne illness, mostly found in tropical countries. Health officials say it's not the number of cases that are concerning, but the circumstances surrounding them.
What's different about this is these cases had not traveled and were diagnosed locally as having acquired it in Florida and Texas.
For a locally acquired case, it's been since 2003 in Palm Beach County, Florida. So very rare.
Okay, so mild symptoms of malaria include fever, chills, and headaches, according to the World Health Organization. Severe symptoms can include difficulty breathing, fatigue, confusion, even seizures. The CDC says about 2,000 cases of malaria are actually logged in the United States each year. A busy travel season and climate change are among the reasons scientists believe the numbers could be worse than years past. So officials saying, hey, do the same things, during obviously mosquito season. Wear long sleeves if you can. Here in Florida, it's obviously extremely hot during the summer. So if you can, also be prepared. Wear the bug spray usually in the morning nowadays. Always lathering up with that DEET. Adrienne?
Yes, you can just reek of DEET because you're not wanting to think about malaria. Oh my gosh. All right. Thank you very much, Xavier. Appreciate it.
Thanks for the deets.
Yeah. And just getting bit at all is just frustrating.
Well, at one point, obviously, it was endemic. Now you don't even think about it unless you travel abroad. So not panic time, but good to know.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.